Hey guys, just want to give you my thoughts on She-Hulk Attorney at Law episode 6. This was kind of a fun episode, which is good because a lot of the episodes have been kind of and whatnot, but I did enjoy this episode. And it fixed a lot of the problems I've been having with the series. For one thing, we got a She-Hulk that wanted to be She-Hulk. She didn't get to be She-Hulk, but she wanted to be She-Hulk when she went to be this bridesmaid at a wedding. And that's been a sticking point for me, that in the comics she wants to be more She-Hulk than Jennifer, but in the series she wants to be more Jennifer than She-Hulk. And I like that they're kind of moving towards that she's liking the advantages that the She-Hulk persona gives her. So I like seeing that. Um, it kind of fixed the problem of Titania. She came back. They actually fought, and it wasn't it wasn't the longest fight, but it was longer than their first fight, and it felt like she was more of a threat than not just a pushover. She didn't just get knocked out, right? So really enjoyed that. I enjoyed that they're moving towards a villain. And we got some stuff on that. So it's called the Intelligencia. Now, this could go either way because what the Intelligencia seems to be is a group of men that want to take down She-Hulk because, I don't know, I think they're going with their, like, women haters or something. This could go either way. It could either get very preachy and political and kind of cringy, or it could touch on an important social issue. So we'll see how that plays out. I think it's interesting, but I also think it could go wrong if they don't play their cards carefully in writing this. And then there was the B plot. The big thing I want to see with She-Hulk is I want to see superhuman trial cases. Now, She-Hulk wasn't involved in this, but her friends at the law firm were. And in this case, it's Mr. Immortal, who is like a Z-list character in the comic books who repeatedly dies and comes back to life. They changed him. They made him in this that he is a kind of a deadbeat husband. He doesn't like confrontation, so when things get bad with his ex wives and one husband, he kills himself and changes his name and comes back to life, of course, and then changes his name. And now they've all found out this secret all at once. And they want money, apologies, all this stuff. And her friends at the law firm have to weed through that. So I thought that was a fun look at something that can only happen within a superhero universe where there are superpowers. So overall, I like this. This was probably one of my more favorite episodes. I'd probably only give it an 8 overall. It's still not the best series, but I didn't feel like I was wasting my time watching it. So yeah, tell me what you think. Where do you think this series is going? Do you think it'll land the last few now that we seem to have a threat with the Intelligencia? What do you think about the form that's taken? Let me know in the comments. All right, thanks for listening.